This boy wasn't a normal human anymore. He had turned into a full chocolate cartoon character. To impress his girlfriend, he made a cute chocolate ear-shaped candy and gave it to her as a gift. The girl melted with love. That night, while watching a movie together, she playfully nibbled on his chocolate fingers, the edible candy ones he made earlier. Next day, he went to the gym and created a chocolate six-pack mold, wrapped it nicely, and gifted it to her. Another level unlocked. While cooking, he accidentally dropped a tiny chocolate chip he was holding. His girlfriend quickly grabbed it and ate it. In their free time, both of them made little chocolate rabbits for fun and decorated them. But the chocolate boy wanted more excitement. He went out on the street and handed a handmade chocolate nose candy to a random girl. She jumped with happiness. Some naughty girls dipped strawberries into his chocolate fountain machine and ate them right there. But the real craziness began in the theater. Two girls sitting behind him kept biting the chocolate popcorn he had kept on his shoulder because it looked so real. They ate so much candy that they ended up at the hospital with a sugar rush. The chocolate boy visited them and brought a chocolate handprint bar as a get-well gift, and all the girls started laughing. One day, he invited everyone to his home and served a huge jug of homemade chocolate syrup. Little by little, the chocolate man became famous worldwide. In buses, in malls, in parks, girls would scream, "OMG, it's the chocolate guy!"